Hello, welcome to another session for Excel 101. So, today I will discuss the Sumifs Countifs Averageifs. So, for example, I have a data here. So, we have a name, team, and a score. So, in this case, I need the sum. So, for example, let's go first in Sumifs. So, I need the sum of score for um, team red. So for example, team red, I will type equals sum apes, then um, select the range for the score because this is the range we sum up. Okay, then comma, then criteria range. So what is the range for our target to get the score? So criteria range, we will choose this column because this is the team we want to locate. So comma, then criteria. So in this case, I need to sum all the red team. So I will put the double quote, then red. I will type red, then column again. Sorry, quote, double quote, then enter. So, I will get the 962. So, because it sums the all red score. So, for example, I will filter the red. Then, if we um, sum this, we will get the, okay, sum, we will get the, sorry, ignore. Sorry, it's not red. I will just filter red. Okay, so if we sum this, why? Okay, I get it because it has a filter. Okay, so if we sum um red, red, um red. Oh, why? 727 and 6. Why? Okay, so I I miss one of a red. So that's it. That's the sum ifs. So what if I have a another criteria? For example, I need the red team red, and for Kel, for the Kel name. So in team red, we have the names Kel, Elsa. So I need only the Kel name for team red. So we will just add a criteria here. So in the syntax, the FF is the sum range. So this is the sum range. This is we will sum it these numbers. So the EE range is the range for our first criteria. And then we type red because this is we're looking for. Then we will just add another criteria. We will just select the criteria range again, and then comma, just enter kel because this is the one we're looking for, then enter. So we get the 827. So let's confirm. So kel red, kel red, then kel red. It's correct. So that's the sum ifs. So let's go to count ifs. So what is the count ifs? So it counts the number of an item. So for example, we will count how many kel in this data with the team red. So let's start. So in this syntax, we need the criteria range. So um, we will we will select this, then comma, what is the specific name we were looking for, then kel because that's the name we're looking for, comma, then now we will select the column for the team, then comma, what team we were looking for, red, then hit enter. So we have the count of kel with the red team. So let's confirm. Let's filter the kel and then the red team. Okay, so it's 4. So that's the count ifs. So delete this. So now we will go to average ifs. So again, same syntax in count ifs. So average ifs. So we will average the score. So select the column for score, then comma, criteria range. So we will average the name for kel and the team red. So we will go first the name, then comma, kel, because that's the we're looking for, comma again, range for team, then comma, red, then hit enter. So the average score is 206 for the name kel and team red. So that's the average ifs. So I hope you understand all these three functions today. So thank you and goodbye.